Do you want to be new? What parts would you like to be new? Do you want to be slim? Then, first, be alone. Organize all your surroundings. If you want to be healthy, go somewhere else. Want to succeed? Wake up at dawn. On the principle of yin and yang, a new start is a separation. The start is to separate the first cycle and create a new one. It can be separated into time and space. The surest way is to separate yourself from the people you meet often. If you talk to the same people at the same time every day, you can never change. If you're desperate, move your job or home. There is one cycle in one relationship. If a cycle is repeated over and over again, it is more stable and more challenging to break. Repeat the stabilized cycle, given the same time every day, and the same life repeats. I don't know exactly what you're aiming for, but if you want a different life, there is one thing you can do first. Meet the 60-day dawn. Dawn, 3 to 7 a.m., is called tree energy time. Tree energy is the energy that awakens negative energy and moves into positive energy. Nothing happens just by thinking. Tree energy is a bridge that transforms thoughts into actions. It's not yours if you run it once or twice. It takes 60 days to be yours. 60 days in a row without missing a day. After that, the cycle stabilizes and can happen on its own. When you go to work in the early hours, you naturally meet other new people. This naturally started day ends early. What you need to succeed is, focus on you. Think about what you should start, creation cycle, about what I want. You don't have to decide too quickly. Just getting up at dawn can be difficult at first. A short yoga session is recommended to lose weight or stay healthy. It is not good to meet people even if you have time. It is essential to make time alone. When you create a new cycle, mixing different energies makes the cycle less stable. Sometimes being away from the people you meet every day can annoy you. But obviously those who support you will look forward to and wait. Those who are not, are they really your friends? Think about it.